Hello, Barry Walter Jr. here with Barry Walter Senior Company. Here to introduce the newest tool to our ONA system. It is part number 999150-8. This is going to remove the Delta balancing spool on the 1300 and 1400 series cartridges. It's going to consist of a short threaded rod. This is the same threaded rod that comes in the Moen PosiTemp broken tool system for the ONA, the 999070. And it's going to have two pieces that we're calling the claw. You've got the piece that has two ribs. It's tapped all the way through, and the piece that has one rib that's drilled through. And the two of them made up grab a hold of that balancing spool. We're going to demonstrate the ONA system for Delta from beginning. We've done this already with the Delta tube, but we're going to do it again. Again, you got to have the water off. You got to get the nut off, which is usually the hardest part of the whole entire placement of this cartridge. Look up the Fernco trick online. Once that's off, you've got the ONA tube for Delta, 999150-7. Once you get the tube on, you're going to take the long threaded rod from the ONA Puller with this short Delta. It's easier sometimes just to run this through the crank from the ONA Puller. You take this, run it through into the Delta cartridge, that 1024 thread for the handle, and then just take that crank, turn it, and it does not take much to get that Delta cartridge out. With this new valve body, obviously, the cartridge is going to come out pretty smooth and easy. But problem that we've heard from our customers is that balancing spool will actually break on the tabs right in here where it's gripping onto this body, and it'll leave this behind. So this is where the new tool comes in handy, the 999150-8. Again, easiest thing to do to use the -8 is to remove the seats and springs, set those over there. I like to take the double ribbed part of the claw and use that on the bottom, and the one ribbed and use it on the top. Get in here, get those lined up in the center, and you're actually gonna look down, and when those tapped holes are aligned, then you're good to get this threaded rod, and you're gonna bottom it out into that second tapped hole of the two ribbed one. You're gonna take the tube of the Delta ONA system, screw that on there, the crank onto the threaded rod, and again, it's physics, and again, it's a new cartridge and a new valve body, but the same physics apply to something that's been in there for 20 years. You're gonna push up against the valve body and remove it. Undo the 999150-7. That threaded rod is got that. There's no way that's not coming out. Because again, you're using the physics of pushing up against the valve body with the tube and the crank. Part number 999150-8. It now is going to be part of our complete ONA system. This will be part number 999150-Pro. This is for the professional plumber. It's going to come with all the ONA tools, everything to remove the 1200, 1222, 1225 Moens, and then the 13 and 1400 series Deltas. At Barry Walter Senior Company, we're here to make you the parts hero. Until the next time.